Welcome, I'm Brett Lakey, the owner of Lady Musgrave Experience. Here in Bundaberg, the gateway to the southern Great Barrier Reef. And today, I'm going to take you on a journey to Lady Musgrave Island. Lady Musgrave Island is a unique coral island in the most southern part of the Great Barrier Reef. Its remote location offers secluded beauty and hosts a navigable lagoon, creating a wall of coral that feels like you are swimming in the safety of a pool, only filled with a myriad of coral and marine life, providing the ultimate snorkeling and diving experience. Lady Musgrave Experience departs daily here from the port of Bundaberg, and we offer the closest accessible departure point for day tours to the Great Barrier Reef by sea. From Brisbane, it's an easy 4-hour drive or a short 45-minute flight direct into Bundaberg, and within a few hours drive off Sunshine Coast and Fraser Island. Many of our guests take this journey up the coast to us, staying at either Bundaberg or the stunning beachside village of Bargara, a short 10-minute drive from the marina. So welcome aboard the Reef Empress, our luxury 35-metre high-speed catamaran which comfortably caters up for 220 people. Cruise in style and choose to ride inside in air-conditioned comfort with documentaries and movies, or enjoy the Queensland sun from the open-air decks. Alternatively, be treated to our captain's premier upper deck lounge, providing a premium seating and VIP package option. Your day out with us is fully catered. You will enjoy a scrumptious morning and afternoon tea, and whilst at the reef, a fresh buffet, including salads, seafood, cold meats, fresh fruits, and a selection of drinks to quench your thirst. Lady Musgrave Island, this is where the real fun begins, including glass bottom boat tours, guided island and guided snorkeling tours or diving. We have 4.5 hours at the reef, so plenty of time to do everything. The choice is yours. Lady Musgrave Experience is famous for snorkeling with the resident turtles within the reef lagoon. It is a fantastic opportunity to swim with these beautiful creatures in their natural habitat. Explore the uninhabited island with our very popular guided and informative island walks, and learn about its unique and fascinating wildlife and history. Glass bottom boat tours allow you to have the full reef experience and view the underwater world without getting wet. Our marine biologist will teach you about corals and the abundance of local marine life that greet you from the comfort of our fully shaded, jet-driven glass bottom boat. Scuba diving is an optional extra. Lady Musgrave Experience caters for the most experienced scuba diver with our purpose-built dive boat, taking you to dive sites outside the lagoon, whilst the absolute beginner has their very first scuba experience in the lagoon with our resident turtles and over 1,000 species of reef fish. So come and join us to experience the best of Queensland with the ultimate Southern Great Barrier Reef holiday package. We look forward to welcoming you on board for the experience of a lifetime.